Hey guys, and welcome back to How Logical. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at if we can actually change our age or not in Badoo. Now let's begin. On any browser of your choice, simply type badoo.com and hit on enter right now. Do note that I have already logged into my account. In case you have not, do log in right now. Now let's simply try to look whether we can actually change our age or not. Let's simply go to profile, the button's right here. This is the profile page, and from here what we need to do is simply go to our profile section. Right here at the top right section, here is the edit profile button. Simply click on it. Then this will open up. Simply scroll down and you'll see details like this: your name, age and location. Click on this button right here. Well, from here you can see you can change your name, gender and location, and you cannot change your birthday. As age is an integral part in matching with your partner in Badoo, you cannot change your age. Well, in case you do want to update your date of birth, you can contact Badoo to verify your age. Well guys, that's it. The end result is we cannot change our age in Badoo as it's an integral part in matching partners. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Hope that cleared your confusion. Thank you.